We're going to be welding these 2x4 stake pockets onto my utility trailer just to give us a little bit more places to tie down and to give this trailer a little bit more versatility. One thing with this style of trailer is our only tie downs is either the handrail or we got to hook into the bottom of these uprights, and that kind of limits how we tie down, or we got to have more ratchet straps to tie down. We can't just go straight across like I want to in some instances. So in that case, you know, we got to hook here, cross, and then hook here and cross. It takes 2 straps to do what 1 strap should do. We also load a tractor and stuff on here, and it'd be nice to just strap straight across or have something a little bit stronger than these uprights to tie that thing down to. I have 12 of these, so we're going to do 5 on each side, and then I'll put 1 up here, 1 over there. I plan on using these stake pocket tie downs from MyT Products. I bought both of these on Amazon. There's no sponsors or collaborations here. I paid my own money for them. I've used MyT before. They make a strong product, not too bad. Sophosby, you've seen that welder before. I did a review on it, and it's a very good stick welder. I believe it's the ARC 200 Pro, and it welded very nicely when I used it. So it's going to be the welder I use today. All I'm going to do is, seeing how I have 12 stake pockets, I'm going to put 1 in between each vertical upright, 5 on each side, 2 in the front, and then yeah, pretty simple. Don't really have to take any measurements. I just need to find the center. We're going to grind some paint and then tack weld those into place. I'll do 2 here, 2 on the other side, or I'll do the front half, both sides. That way if I run out of time today, I'm not stuck with bare paint on my trailer, and then I can finish it later. Because knowing me, I'll start it and then 2 or 3 months goes by and I still haven't finished it. So I don't know if you guys can relate to that, but I start something, but I have a hard time finishing it. With that being said, let's get to work. Alright, so I went a little bit wider with my grinding area just because I don't know if I'm going to put a weld down the inside of this stake pocket. I don't know if it's necessary. Should be plenty strong enough by welding right here on the outside on both sides. But if you think I should put a weld down the inside for extra strength, if it does anything, let me know, because then I'll throw some weld down in here. But yeah, now that we got this side all ground up, we can go ahead and get this clean. This has some oil so it doesn't rust when it ships. We'll hit this with some acetone. I'll come back and hit this with some acetone just to prep the surface a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and start welding this side up, and then we'll move to that side. Alright, there we go. It's welded in. I did 2 passes on each side. Still unsure if I need to go down the inside or not. Let me know what you guys think, if I should run a bead down the inside. That side I got a little shaky on. I lost my balance and the rod got kind of wiggly, but it'll do what I need it to. So now got a bunch more to do. Let's put you on a time lapse. Alright, we got these all welded up. I'm still unsure if I need to weld down the inside on both sides in there. I don't think it's going to matter because my welds are 70-18 and I double passed them. Mainly for the fact because my root weld did not look very good, so I just covered it up. But I still think it's strong enough that when we hook stuff to it, it's going to hold. It took me a couple rods to get this done. I'm not good at stick welding at all. And when the rod sticks, I kind of get frustrated and the flux flakes off. And sometimes I get lucky and get them restarted, but other times they keep sticking and then I bend the rod and more flux flakes off. But as I weld more, I should get better. But we got this half done. Time to go to that side, get that done, and then I can at least say half the trailer's done. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, well, this side is now done. Actually, no, I gotta clean that one off. But this side went a lot better than the other side. I didn't go through nearly as many rods. My welds actually look pretty decent. I did the same thing on this side, 2 passes. Still not sure if I need to go down the inside and make a pass, but I don't think so. I'm going to go ahead, hit it with some Rust-Oleum after I clean that one up. I still have 4 more to do, 2 over here, 2 over there. I'm going to do those off camera. It's getting pretty late. I still need to eat dinner and stuff, or figure out what I'm going to have for dinner. But if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And I'll put links to the stake pockets and the Mighty 2x4 tie downs. If you guys want them, I'll even link the welder. It's a pretty nice welder. He did a really good job on this. And yeah. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys later.